Come join the sports games with Kiki. Where would you like to start? Running. Are you a fast runner? The running match is about to start. Let's warm up first. The game is about to start. Let's begin with round 1 for the bronze medal.
Ready? Go!
You beat the giraffe. Keep up the good work. Get ready for round 2.
Ready? Go!
You're winning! Run faster than the giraffe and the bronze medal is yours.
Ready? Go!
You defeated the giraffe. You won the bronze medal. Keep up the good work. Basketball. Let's shoot hoops. The game has begun. Ready? We are starting with the bronze medal for round 1.
Ready? Go!
Watch out! Spike is throwing off your shooting. Great shooting! Hurry! Spike is catching up. Great work! You beat Spike! Starting round 2. Go, go, go!
Ready? Go!
Great shooting! job! You are winning! Finish round 3 and the bronze medal is yours.
Ready, go!
You beat Spike. You won the match. You won the bronze medal. Keep up the good work. The game has begun. Round 1 for the silver medal.
Ready, go!
Great work! You beat Spike! Round 2 for the silver medal.
Ready, go!
Good job! You are winning! Round 3 for the silver medal.
Ready, go!
Hurry! You beat Spike. You won the match. Great! You won the silver medal. Now, let's play for the gold medal. Diving. I bet you'll like it. The diving game is about to start. Please welcome Kiki. Let's begin with the bronze medal round 1.
Ready, go!
Slide Kiki's body backwards to help Kiki dive. Let's try it. Great job! Kiki is so excited. Good job! Next is the 5-meter platform. Help Kiki by tapping me. Good for you. You finished round 1. Nice! Let's go on to round 2. good work. Cool. Next is the 10-meter platform. What a pity. Kiki missed the water. Don't be disappointed. We can try again. The diving game is about to start. Please welcome Kiki. Let's begin with the bronze medal round 1.
Ready? Go!
Let's try it. Great job. Kiki is so excited. Good job. Next is the 5-meter platform. Help Kiki by tapping on the obstacle and tap it more. Good for you. You finished round 1. Nice. Let's go on to round 2. Keep up the good work. Cool. Next is the 10-meter platform. Terrific. Round 2 seems so easy for you. Finish round 3 and the bronze medal is yours. Congratulations! You won the match. You won the bronze medal. Keep up the good work. Trampoline. Do you want to try? The trampoline match is about to start. Let's warm up for the bronze medal challenge.
Ready? Go!
Drag the trampoline to make Kiki jump high into the air. Let's try it. Great! You create an energy bubble. You passed! Kiki is jumping into space. Get ready for round 2.
Ready? Go!
Drag the red frame and see what happens. It's time to launch. Keep it up. Finish round 3 and the medal is yours.
Ready? Go!
Keep up the good work.